Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do the Popcorn Grid Stitch pattern. For this pattern, you're just going to need to know how to do a treble crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do that stitch. So to get started, you're going to chain multiples of 3 plus 2. Once you have your chains, you are going to start off by chaining 2. And in the third chain from the hook, you're going to work your first treble crochet, followed by treble crocheting in each stitch all the way to the end of the row. Now you may have noticed from the beginning of this video that the texture of this pattern is only on one side. So sadly, this pattern is non-reversible. Once you have all of your treble crochets, we are going to turn our work and we're going to start on row 2. So to start off the row, you're going to chain 2 and you are going to work 2 treble crochets in the next 2 stitches. Next, you're going to work a 5 treble crochet cluster. So what that ends up meaning is when you yarn over, you pull through 1, you pull through 2, you leave that last third loop on your hook, and you'll do this 5 times, all within the same stitch. And then once you have all 6 loops on your hook, you're going to pull through all 6 loops. Then you will work a treble crochet in the next 2 stitches. And that is the repeat for the row all the way till the end. So again, it's a 5 treble crochet cluster. Followed by working 2 treble crochets in the last stitches. And you can see here how the texture is only on one side. So then for row 3, you're going to chain 2 and you're going to work a treble crochet in each stitch all the way to the end of the row. So the repeat for this pattern is going to be rows 2 through 3. It's actually a very fun and easy pattern to do once you kind of get the hang of working the 5 treble crochet clusters. If you end up dropping your loops and having to start again, it's no worries whatsoever. I still do that all the time. Just have fun with what you're creating. And there you go. That is how you do the Popcorn Grid crochet pattern. I love the texture for this. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.